Hey guys, Clayton here at Two-Way Direct with you again. Have a little bit of a different video today. Today I'm going to show you what not to do with a radio. Now some of this stuff might seem, well, why would you do that? You'd be surprised. So, first thing, do not ever grab the radio by its antenna and carry it using the antenna. Don't. Next thing, if you're going to be having an accessory put into the accessory port, leave it in. Now this one's a little less obvious, but that's because every time you take in and out this accessory piece, you're actually going to be damaging it a little bit. The wiggling of taking it out, everything like that's actually going to damage it a bit. So when you can, try to leave these things attached. Next piece of advice, and again, I know this may sound silly, don't drop it. You'll hurt the radio. It won't work as well. Don't drop it. Now cleaning these can become a little more complicated. Now what you need to know is that you don't need things like water or any type of spray. These things are fine with just a simple wipe down. Another issue, while you're charging a battery, make sure that the radio is off. I can't tell you how many times this will actually just outright destroy the battery of the radio. So every time you charge it, turn the radio off. Make sure to like and subscribe, and visit our website to find out more tips and tricks for your two-way radios.